Hey everybody, so I got a quick video. I got a package in the mail. I thought it was kind of hilarious on what the shipping label says, and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I thought this was kind of interesting. I spoke to DJI because I purchased and you guys might have noticed on a previous video, I did a huge unboxing of a crap ton of items for the Osmo Action that I got in a kit for $3.99, which I thought was a killer deal when the camera alone is $250. In that kit, I got a 3 battery charger, 2 batteries. It didn't come with a charging cable. I ended up speaking to Amazon, and Amazon actually had no issues. They're like, oh, okay, yeah, we'll send you a cable, no problem. They sent me an Amazon Basics cable as a replacement, which is fine, not a big deal. You know, any cable is better than no cable, in my opinion. Well, I purchased another one of those battery starter kits. It's a 3 battery charger, comes with 2 batteries, 2 cases. Problem was, when I opened it, I didn't open it on camera. I didn't show it to you guys because I had already showed you the exact same item on a different video. I didn't see the point in just doing an unboxing or, you know, a quick look video or anything like that on the exact same thing I did in a larger video. So when I got that item, it didn't come with the batteries. It came with the 2 plastic cases. Did not come with batteries. It came with the charger, and that one as well did not come with a charging cable. I contacted DJI and I sent them photos and I showed them the box, me opening the box, me taking the items out of the box, me leaving the battery cases open, showing that there was no batteries in them, everything like that. Well, I argued with DJI on the phone for several hours because the Asian, that's how I'm going to put it, kept assuming I was talking about a completely different kit, which was the Fly More kit, which was odd to me because the DJI Osmo Action shouldn't even be labeled as the Fly More or Play More kit, but that came with a nice DJI gray case, and you know, the charger kit that I'm talking about, but instead of 2 batteries, it was 1 battery and the 3-bay charger, and you know, a bunch of mounts. Well, in the photos I took, not the shotos, in the photos I took, it shows that it is not that kit they're referring to. It physically shows that it is the charging kit. So I ended up requesting a manager because I got tired of arguing with this same dude, which kept telling me that I was wrong and I have the wrong kit and you don't know what you're talking about. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm the one that took the photos. I'm the one that purchased the item, and I'm the one that physically unboxed it, showing that it was, or I unboxed it and, you know, realized there was items missing. I just didn't show it on camera. Well, I've waited about 2 weeks. I got an email stating that a couple days later that everything was worked out, it was going to be shipped out, the 2 missing batteries are on their way. I'm like, okay. I get an email the next day stating it was shipped. I didn't think anything of it, didn't even read the email. It popped up in the notification area on my phone. I read the first sentence, okay, it's shipped, not worried about it, didn't never open the email. I went and opened the email today because I had a pink paper in my post box stating that unknown address and a shipper name, and the item was shipped to Vincent Ether at my address. Look at that. It's like, I have no idea who that is. Now, in order to do and it's from DJI Services LLC. Funny thing is though, is in order to get this item shipped to me, I had to provide the item I purchased. I had to provide the receipt showing the item that I purchased. I had to provide my full name, my full address, my state, zip code, everything. When I purchased it, what day I purchased it, the time I purchased it, all of it. You would think that since I provided all of that information, including what item it was for, which was the Osmo Action, what the item that was missing was, and a description of what the problem is, all of that, you'd think that they would have put Antonio C. Michael. I thought this just would be hilarious to show you guys. My name is not Vincent Ether. And when I looked at the email, because that pink slip paper stating this was at the post office said Vincent Ether, they don't know who this is, unknown address, because post office knows who lives at my address. And when they get a package with my address and a different name, they want me to update them and say, hey, well, this person now lives at my house, or this is just a mistake. I had to fight with the post office just to get my package. I literally had to show the lady my phone with the email, and the problem is the email did not say ship to Vincent, it said shipped from Vincent Ether. So whoever printed this label accidentally put Vincent Ether, who works at DJI, as the ship to person and not the shippee. Stupid mistakes, people, come on. You know, I just thought it was funny. It shows, you know, they wrote on it, 131 East Keating Street. They wrote the date because 9/14 was the day that they put the slip in my box. Today is now the 17th. I find it hilarious. It does have exactly what it should have in it. 2 DJI batteries. But you would think that being internally shipped, you would think that they would know that Vincent Ether was technically the shipper that works at DJI. You would think that they would have put the correct name. It's odd. Osmo Action battery. Pull it out. There's one. There's the second. And it looks like that DJI Osmo or DJI ships all of these batteries in their own battery case. So I basically have 2 batteries that I had to wait for, but I ended up with 4 cases because the other battery kit, the actual kit that I did not unbox on camera, it only came with the cases and no batteries. So now I have 2 extra plastic cases for a kit for batteries that I don't have. But you know, it is what it is. Maybe I'll buy some cheap knockoff batteries from Amazon. They won't come with cases, and I'll throw them in these plastic cases. I don't necessarily want to destroy these because I want the serial numbers. Let's see if I can cut these open. You know, and I understand I'm kind of like going on a rant and, you know, all that good jazz. I just thought it'd be something entertaining to show you guys. Got a little booklet. You know, it's amazing how many pages are in this booklet. It's like 62 pages in this little booklet. So we'll open this one up. It does have a battery in it. Before using, charge battery for at least 5 minutes to activate. Same thing, this one comes with a little booklet. This one has a battery in it as well. So at least I got the items that were missing from my kit. You know, even though I had to argue with them. Sorry that this video ended up being so long, guys. It's been almost 12 minutes now, or almost 11 minutes. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I'm going to end up taking pictures of these before I throw them away. Just the serial numbers. I just thought maybe you guys would get a kick out of that. According to my email, it shows that Vincent Ether is the shipper. Because it says DJI Services LLC, the 17301 Edwards Road, Cerritos, California. And it says Vincent Ether. Then it says ship to Antonio C. Michael and my address on the email. So somehow the label got mixed up with the email that was sent to me, which the email is correct. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I just thought maybe you guys get a kick out of it, kind of funny. But I kind of wish I would have gotten all of this on camera, which I did. I did record the items unboxing and me finding the missing items, especially the missing batteries, but I never posted it to YouTube because of the fact that I had realized I had done another unboxing of it a few days before of the same item, so I never actually posted it to you guys. But I just thought it'd be funny for you guys to check it out. Maybe you guys get a kick out of it or a laugh for the day. But do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. At least this one, both of these have batteries. That's all that matters in my opinion. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me and checking out the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my Amazon affiliate, or smoosh the bell notification icon before I get to that. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and hopefully you'll have better luck if you buy any items from DJI. I think it was just a fluke because it was a sealed OEM manufactured packaging. I think maybe it was just a mistake on their end. But and go check out my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links down below. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.